Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you one of my favorite natural detox drinks that can help reduce belly fat, boost your energy, and clean out your system, all from home. If you're serious about flattening your tummy naturally, this green drink is your new best friend. You'll need 1 cucumber, hydration plus antioxidants, 1 handful of spinach, rich in fiber and iron, 1 stalk of celery, natural detoxifier, a few parsley leaves, cleanses and fights bloating, 1-2 lemon, vitamin C and fat metabolism, 1 small piece of ginger, boosts digestion and metabolism, 1 cup of water or coconut water if you prefer a natural sweetness. Now cut everything into small pieces. Add the cucumber, spinach, celery, parsley, lemon juice, ginger, and water into a blender. Blend for about 30-45 seconds until smooth. You can strain it if you prefer it light, or drink it thick for more fiber. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for the best results. Do this daily for at least 7 days, and you'll start noticing less bloating, better digestion, and more energy. Remember, no single drink is magic. Combine this with light exercise, good sleep, and a balanced diet. And if you have any medical conditions, please check with your doctor first. If you found this helpful, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss my weekly healthy drink and fat loss tips. Comment below, "Detox done," if you're starting this 7-day challenge.